Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. And before that, kailangan ko munang i-shout out Motoboy Official. So he is from Aklan. Saka pinapa-shoutout niya rin yung buong grupo niya na AYRC Aklanon Yamaha Riders Club. Yeah, hey guys. So maka Yamaha ano tayo, Yamaha group. Today ay pupunta tayo somewhere, so let's go. Shit, fuck. Shut up. Okay guys, ganitong problema pag hindi nyo ginagamit yung motor nyo. Ang tagal ko na kasing hindi nagamit eh. Pag hindi kayo nagmumotor araw-araw, anong nangyari sa baterya ko? It died on me. I don't know what's wrong. I have to make it there. Tapos mag-u-turn ako. Papababa ako. Let's go. Fuck that. Oh, finally.